Welcome to the course summary. In this hands-on course, we furthered our knowledge of Titan Survey's advanced capabilities through the implementation of 2 real-life use cases. In the first use case, a quote request form, we demonstrated how to add varying advanced question types, including survey list, file upload, select, and others. Map survey list and multi-select questions with Salesforce. Use conditions to control the display of questions in a slide. Set up a custom question flow. Display data collected in previous questions. And distribute the survey to a Salesforce object. In the second use case, a customer satisfaction survey, we demonstrated also how to add question text from Salesforce. Add multiple finish pages. Update any object in Salesforce with Titan's bi-directional integration. Distribute the survey using automation. As we've seen, Titan Survey provides us with robust, easily customizable solutions for the creation and distribution of professional surveys. For more information about Titan Survey and other Titan products, we invite you to visit the support page on our website. If you are taking this course for accreditation, please complete the course assessment. Your opinion is important to us. Please take a few minutes to answer a short course summary poll before you leave. We look forward to seeing you in our other Titan courses.